What's up, folks? Jonathan here from Transparent Traders. Today, I want to go over with you, talk to you about the markets section with Webull. This is especially for like beginners and new people to using the Webull platform. Of course, I'm going to have the web browser version open, but I kind of want to go over the market section for you so that you know everything that you have that they have pre-built into the system that you can use to help find trades, see what's moving, what's selling off, and where to find news. And let's get into it. So this little symbol right here is the market section. Of course, you got watch lists, you got stocks, um, you got the market section, you got your screener where you can build screeners, you got your trading platform here, you got your account section, you got paper trading. This is the chat feature where you can send them messages and the settings about your account. So what we're going to talk about today is the market section. So as you can see right here, this is going to show you kind of the indexes for the United States. You actually can click on this and you can see China, you can see global as far as the whole world's going, basically all the different exchanges. Down here at the bottom, of course, you can see what Forex looks like, and then you can see what the hot futures are looking like. Of course, you have the crypto section as well that you can see all the price action and everything for cryptos. The only ones you can buy currently on Webull right now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. But let's get back over here to the United States. So you can see, of course, we went over that. This is your advances and declines, distributions. This is your net flow for NASDAQ and NYSE. And as you can see here, you have your news section. This is just news that continues to pop up. You can actually click on this. It'll bring it up into a different browser, and you can read the article, of course, if you would like to. So there you go. So now this next section, this is the IPO Center. So this is where you can see these are all the offerings that are either going on or coming up. And they'll show you the date, shares offered, offer amount, the listing a date, when it started. These are all the companies that have filed for an IPO or an offering. And this is going to show you what date they filed for. And these are the ones that have already been listed and what they're currently trading at, and what day they actually listed at. So next, you have the calendar section, where this is where you can see all your upcoming earnings, so that you don't have to go on the app or wait on that notification to come up and tell you the earnings. These are going to tell you the ones that are going on for the day, and as many as they can fit in for the week. Of course, this are the dividends. It's going to tell you what the ex-dividend date are. These are normally the ones for today and the upcoming ones. And of course, these are going to show you splits that are upcoming. So you got earnings, dividends, and splits. Dividends, the ex-dividend date is basically if you own shares on that date, you're going to get the dividend payout. So what happens a lot of times, especially with traders, they'll buy them up the couple of days before the ex-dividend date, hold them, and then the next day they'll sell them off. So that's your IPO in your calendar. And over here, this next column right here is where we get into some of the built-in, some scanners and some features for you to help kind of find trades and what's going on with stuff. So the first thing we have is these are your top gainers for the day. So to show your percent change and what the price is currently. Then of course you have the top losers. You get into the most active. So the most active, these are the most traded, talked about stocks on Webull, kind of like the you have on that Robinhood feature. This is your 52-week. And on all of these, you've got top gainers. So you can see pre-market top gainers, after hours, 5-minute, 1 day, all the way up to the year. Same thing with the top losers. You can do by pre-market, after hours, 5, the 5-minute chart, the 1 day, the 5 day, the 1 month, and the 3 month. Most active is based on volume, turnover percent, and percent range. 52-week high. It's going to show you stocks that have reached a new high, near a new high, near a new low, near a new low. These are marginable trades. These are The LNS for the marginable, and shortable stocks. You can scroll through that list. At any time, you can always hit all, and it'll bring it all the way up. So you can see everything that's shortable on Webull, and it just keeps on going there. Marginable and everything. So, and that's on any of them. Hot rate, like if you're on top gainers, you want to see pre-market, you can just hit the all button. It'll flip over here and you can get them all. You can actually have it set up to, it'll open it up and you can set it to where you can trade right there if you'd like. You can always hit this close out and you can see the other columns. And then of course you hit the little arrow to come back. So this is your hot rank, hot stocks on Webull, volume, most talked about, high dividend stocks, earnings beyond expected, earnings below expected. Down here at the bottom, there's a lot of people that truly do invest, and this is something that you can look at. This is the best performing industries, and you can break that in 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, and 3 month. And of course, you can scroll over and see them, or you can click them up and see all, and it'll give you a breakout category of them. And that's a way some people can pick what's performing best, and they might want to look into to buying. Same thing with hot ETFs. You can scroll over and see them here, or you can click the all button and bring them all up and look at them at one time. So this is just some features of the market section. This will help a lot of people if they're not real familiar with using the platform, or they know they only want to trade best performance industries, or they're looking for hot ETFs, or they're wanting to catch those pre-market movers. You can come over here to top gainers and start watching in pre-market, and this is going to be updating in real time. So like always, if you have any questions, there's other things you want to learn about on the Webull platform or just stock market in general, dump it in the comments and I'll help you out. And as always, folks, base hits, pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.